Okay, wait. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm playing on the Kindle.
Stop. But what are you doing?
Playing on the Kindle.
Yes. Okay, what game is this? What do?
You pushed the animals and and the house stuff and the music and the cars.
Okay. All right. So you pushing the monkeys?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's that?
Audrey. Daddy. Mommy. And Annabelle.
Okay, how about the next one? There's Annabelle. She's out of food.
Me.
Let's see. Always chipper. Show, which one's the next one?
Audrey. Daddy.
With that noise.
Yeah.
Mommy. And Annabelle.
That's funny. Okay, say bye.
No.
Yeah, oh, honey. Let me see your teeth. All right, say bye. It really does sound like Annabelle when she's worked up. Okay, say bye.
Baby.